Hola, mis estudiantes de Español 2. Abre su libro a página 154. 154. I'm going to start a new chapter today. And as we start a new chapter, we have to take a step back and see what do you remember. They always, call this review, but not always sure it's review with you guys. So, looking at the orange boxes, sorry, I'm jiggly today. I will say these and then tell you what they are in English. Basically, I'm doing your job. You're so lucky. All right. Las preposiciones. We've got prepositions here. I'm wondering, Juan, if you remember our dance from last year. How am I going to record myself? I'll have to figure that out. Maybe I can find someone online who does it. All right. So, I don't know them in this order. All right, we have a la derecha de. Derecha meaning that it's to the right of. A la izquierda de. That's izquierda. That's to the left of. Like, hey, the bank is to the left of the park or whatever. So to the right of, to the left of. Al lado de. Al lado de is across from. Cerca de is close. Cerca de is close to. Debajo de is under or underneath sometimes. Delante de is behind. Hold on. Encima de, debajo de, delante de. No, sorry. Delante de is ahead of you. It's in front of you. Debajo de is that it's behind you. I only know my song, guys. Encima de is on top of. Entre is that it's between, and lejos de is that it's like next door, it's side by side. Okay, my little preposition dances is encima de, debajo de, delante de, detrás de, cerca de, frente al, which isn't in your list, a final de, en la esquina de, and entre. So I know I have more in my little, I do them in opposites. Anyway, I'll show you someday if I can figure out how to record myself. Your other orange box over here is means of transportation. Los medios de transporte. You have el autobús, and then there's the plural, it's the bus. El avión is an airplane. El barco is a boat. La bicicleta is a bicycle. El coche is a car. El taxi, taxi cab. El tren is a train. Those should be super duper easy for you. Over here on your right side, in página 155, is they think that you remember all of these verbs. You have salir, to leave, can also mean to go out somewhere. I'm in the top of the blue box. Decir is to say or to tell someone. Venir is to come. Like when I tell you to venga aquí, it's part of to come here. And these are all irregular IR ending verbs because their yo form ends in a go. All right, so these are salir, and you have your conjugation book, so go ahead and enter these in. Salgo, sales, sale, salimos, salen. These are regular verbs. They're not preterite, regular verbs. It's present tense. Decir is pronounced digo, dices, dice, decimos, dicen. And venir is pronounced vengo, vienes, viene, venimos, vienen. And our V's, they get pronounced as a soft B, so it's not vengo, it's bango. It sounds like it's bango, but it's not a hard B either. It's a soft B, bango. So that's just something that you will work on as you become more familiar with the language. They also remind you in the box inside of the box, do you remember tener, hacer, poner, and traer, and that in their present tense endings that they all ended in go as well. Tango, ago, pongo, trigo. And anyway, so I am going to want you to try exercise 3 today. Ejercicio 3. So we're going to add this vocab. Hoy es martes. No, lunes, martes. Sorry, see, martes. It's a Tuesday. I'm recording this on Monday for you, though. So try exercise 3 in the Google question here. There's just 9 answers. You're going to go through the conversation, and your verb is already, your 2 verbs are there for you. You have to choose which would be the best one, and then you need to conjugate it appropriately. So you need to do 2 steps. Pick the right verb, conjugate it correctly. All right, so that's what you're going to work on today. Tomorrow we're going to work on starting our chapter, and then it will already be Thursday, and we'll call this week a wrap, and I'll let you know what we're going to be testing over. But you already know that you're going to get some of last week in this week, so you can always study every day if you need to. Email me if you have any questions. Hasta mañana.